guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Colourpop haul. I have my goodies right here and I'm super excited to show you guys what I did get. So it's not like a huge haul or anything, but I did just want to share with you guys what I did purchase. Also just because I like to know what you guys are purchasing and I love to watch hauls on YouTube. So I did purchase all of this when Kathleen Lights put up her code for the 20% off of all her favorites, and so I did have to snag a few things. So that is what I will be showing you guys today. So the first two items in the bag are two of their So Juicy plumping glosses. And I purchased two of these. So I have mine in the shade Intersection and the shade Beechwood. Intersection is actually what I'm wearing on my lips today over a lip liner that I will show you guys in a minute. But this is what Intersection looks like. It's really, really stunning, really pretty. It looks very like gold and in the tube and stuff, but when you put it on, it actually really doesn't have a color base. It's more sheer with just like a bunch of glitter in it, and it's so pretty. These do have a tingle to them. It's not really bad. Like, think of if you've ever tried the Buxom plumping glosses, it's not as bad as those. Not that those hurt me or anything, but it's not as strong, but it is still definitely there. Very minty. I love the feeling of it because it feels like it's burning a little bit. Not like burning, but you know, it feels really good, and it kind of feels like a chapstick to me, like it's doing something to my lips. I've tried to explain this before, I think, but I love these things, and they just make your lips look so juicy, which is the perfect name for it. It makes my lips look a little bit more full, especially because when I do wear these, I like to overdraw my lips because it makes them look even better. I do like to wear these on their own as well. I've told you guys about the shade She's Here. That's like my favorite one, but it was my favorite one because it was my only one. But I think this one actually might be my favorite one because She's Here does have a color base to it and this one doesn't, so it won't alter the color of your lip that you already have on, and I don't know, it's just really pretty. These last a long time. Like, I can put it on early in the morning, and then I was drinking my coffee this morning and it was still there at 2 in the afternoon. So I love these. These are really nice. So that is one that I did purchase, and then I did purchase the other shade, which is Beechwood. This one does not have any glitter in it whatsoever, but it is kind of like a deeper, darker shade. I will have swatches as well throughout the video so you can see a little bit better, but it is more like a deeper brown, kind of like mauve brown kind of shade. It's just really pretty. I haven't used this one yet, but I have done swatches and it looks really stunning. So I did pick up this one as well. Again, if you guys have not tried these glosses, they are amazing. They are like so good. Like, you need to try them. They're $8, I think. $7 or $8, and worth every penny in my opinion. So the next thing I did get is this lippy pencil from Colourpop, obviously. This is the BFF lip liner. This is actually what I'm wearing underneath the Intersection gloss. This is what the pencil looks like. I like how they redid the pencils. They put the cap on it to match the color of the pencil instead of just like a white cap like it used to be. This is just a really pretty nude color. On me, as you can see, it does look a little bit more browny nude instead of like nude. Like, swatching it on the back of my hand, it looks nude. Well, it looks like kind of browny nude. I don't know. I feel like I can never find my perfect nude no matter how hard I try, because like even this in the package looks really nude, and then I put it on and it's like brown nude. So I don't know, maybe my lips are just like super pigmented themselves that they just like turn every nude a different color. Anyway, you didn't care about that. I really do like the formula of these. I do have a few of them, and so I knew I would like the formula. I just wanted to try out this color because Kathleen said it was one of her favorites, or it was her favorite or something, and I am always down to try a new lippy pencil. I love lip pencils. It's like one random obsession is like an obsession with lip pencils. Why? I don't know. Don't ask me, but I love them. And the next thing I did get is the BFF Creme Gel Liner. Creme? I think, okay, because it's spelled C-R-E-M-E, I'm going to say creme, because normally I say cream. I got mine in the shade Overboard. It's just this stunning brown color, but it's not just like brown, it's like a brown metallic. This is what the packaging looks like. It's all brown here. It's just a stunning metallic-y brown color you'll see in the close-up. It's really pretty, but just be careful with these. I do have a few of these from Colourpop, and the only thing is they just like break easily. I'm not really a savage with my pencils, but in the clip that you just saw of the swatch, like right after I swatched it, it like broke. So just like be careful. These ones are kind of fragile, unless I'm just a savage, but I never break any of my other liners, so I think it's just these ones. These ones are just kind of soft. So just be aware of that. This is a really pretty color. These ones don't last the longest on me, but I'm okay with that because they're like $6, you know? And that doesn't really bother me. Like if I bought one that was $25 and it didn't last on me, that would bother me. But since these are only a few dollars, it really doesn't bother me. And the last 3 things that I did get were all blushes. So I did want to purchase all of the blushes from that Kathleen did just come out with, but I only ended up getting 3 of them. So I did get the shade Lunar Has It, which is this one right here. This is more of a like nude type blush. It's got like a hint of peachiness to it, but it's more of a nude bronze-ish type blush. It's really pretty, super stunning. I think in the swatch, if I remember correctly, I swatched these like a couple days ago. In the swatch, it like surprised me because it was different than I thought it would be. But this one doesn't really have any like glitter or anything in it. The next shade that I did get, which is the one I was most excited for, is I Need Space. This is the one that she said looked very similar and was inspired by this shade, what was it? Libra, I think, in her Zodiac palette. So this is what it looks like right there. Just a stunning pinky sheeny blush, and it has got all the sheens and beautifulness, and I can't wait to put that on my face. I actually did use Libra in the palette. I think that's the name of it. That's the right one, right? I think it's Libra. In the palette as a blush a few times, but it does have that white cast, and I swatched these next to each other, and the blush doesn't, like Kathleen said. It's just really pretty. I feel like it will go with like everything, and I'm really excited for that one. That one's probably the one I'm most excited for. I haven't used any of them yet because I was waiting, but I'm about to. And then this is the last one that I did pick up. This is the blush in the shade My Sun and My Stars. This is a bright blush. This is a more corally pinky color with a lot of shimmer in it, and I thought I just broke that and I was about to cry. Hold on, let me go get it. So like I was saying, this is a really stunning, brighter, corally, like orangish type blush with a lot of shimmer in it. It's very beautiful, very stunning. This is like something I look forward to in the summer months. Like this on my cheeks, yes please. You can't even see the amazingness of it. The light washes it out, but it's so stunning in person. I'm really excited for this one too, like really excited. I didn't get the 4th one because it just looked a little too intense for me at this moment, you know? Like, it looked really pretty, but I didn't need it, you know? I had to justify somewhere I couldn't spend that much money, you know? So I did just put them in my little Tarte palette here because I didn't buy compacts for them because I didn't really need to. So those 3 are right there, and then these are Physician Formula ones. And then Colourpop is so sweet. They were a little late sending my order, which I mean, I wasn't gonna complain. Like I wanted it, but like I wasn't gonna be, you know, super upset about it or anything. But they sent a little card saying, sorry we're late, XOXO Colourpop. And they sent me a free eyeshadow, which is so sweet of them. They didn't have to do that. Very nice, thank you Colourpop. So they did send a pressed powder shadow in the shade Take It Slow. I don't know how they knew, but like this is the perfect shade to send to me. This is like a champagne-y, beautiful, stunning color, and I can't wait to use it. If I had picked an eyeshadow, this would have been it. This would have been the one I would have picked. Colourpop, you know me. You know me. Alright guys, so that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you picked up anything from the recent Colourpop sale, let me know down below, or if you just picked up stuff because they're doing a sale right now currently until I don't know when, but it's like 25% off site-wide. If you picked anything up during that, let me know. Let me know if there's any products that I need to look at, need to check out, need to try for myself. Let me know down below. I really do take into consideration all of your suggestions, and I do like to look at products that you guys really love. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. It means the world to me, and I hope you guys know that. I hope you guys are having a blessed day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.